Yeah, I'm gonna give a quick review on this Mackenzie Child's Enamel tea kettle. This is a blue and white royal check. Looks really good. It has a wooden handle. The lid comes off. The lid fits back down pretty tight on it, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. But these come in. You can get a 2-quart kettle, or it also comes in a 3-quart kettle. See, it had that royal check looks really good on it. Has a long spout. But like I said, this is a Mackenzie Child's enamel tea kettle. This is a blue and white royal check. I highly recommend it. It'd be a good addition to your home. Check it out.